Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a hanging indent for citations in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document. Now select all the citations you want to format. With your citation selected, click Format from the top menu and then go to Align and Indent. From here, go to Indentation options. Now under a special indent, click on this drop down and from the menu select hanging. For most citation styles such as FA or MLA, a 0.5-inch hanging indent is commonly used. Write it down, then click Apply. Now the first line of each citation stays aligned with the left margin, while the second line and any following are indented. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.